If Firefox is playing video but there's no sound, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix Firefox no sound when watching a video using a few simple steps. We'll check the tab mute setting, adjust the Windows volume mixer, and make sure your system's sound output is set correctly. This guide is fast, beginner-friendly, and should get your audio working again in just a couple of minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start with the easiest fix. Look at the Firefox tab that's playing the video. Sometimes the tab itself is muted, even if your computer volume is turned up. To check this, right-click on the Firefox tab at the top of your browser. In the menu that appears, click Unmute. If the tab was muted, this can instantly restore the sound. After that, play the video again and see if the audio comes back. If you still can't hear anything, the next step is to check the Windows volume mixer. This is important because Firefox may be set to a lower volume than the rest of your system, or it may be muted separately. To do this, right-click the speaker icon in your computer's taskbar. Then click Open Volume Mixer. Once the mixer opens, scroll down until you find Mozilla Firefox. Here, look closely at the slider and make sure it is turned up. Also confirm that it is not muted. If the volume is very low, drag the slider higher and test the video again. This step solves a lot of browser sound problems because Windows can control app audio individually. Now, if Firefox volume looks fine but you still have no sound, the issue may be your system output device. Your computer could be sending sound to the wrong device, such as old headphones, a disconnected speaker, or another audio output that is not currently in use. To check this, open your computer's settings and go to System, then Sound. Under Output, make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Choose the device you are actually using for audio. Once that is selected, go back to Firefox and test the video again. In many cases, switching the output device fixes the problem right away. If you followed all 3 steps and Firefox still has no sound, try refreshing the page or restarting Firefox completely. Sometimes the browser just needs to reload the audio session. You can also test another website or another video to see whether the issue is only happening on one page or across the entire browser. That can help you narrow down whether the problem is with Firefox, your system sound, or the video itself. So to recap, the main fixes are: unmute the tab, check the Windows volume mixer, and verify your system sound output in settings. These are the fastest and most effective ways to solve Firefox no sound when watching a video. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.